So, yan. So, ngayong araw, andito na tayo sa session 2. At sa session 2, talakayin natin ang trend lines sa review sa support and resistance and MACD. Paano gamitin ang RSI, stochastic and CCI. Then, sample analysis tayo ng isang technical chart gamit yung mga natutunan natin. Okay lang? So, mayroon ba tayong parang na plano dati na pwede nating okay na yun. Alright, so yun. So, umpisahan natin yung review by means of yung review sa support and resistance by means of analyzing a chart. Diba yun ang na-discuss natin last time. Then yung MACD, yan. Yeah, support and resistance and MACD. Tsaka trend line. Yun, trend line pasok natin dito sa session na to. So yun, share ko muna yung screen ko. At paki-confirm lang kung nakikita mo na. Okay, mabilis pala yung internet. Galing yan. Okay na, nag-move ba yung screen? Yan, very good. Alright, so yun. May sample chart ka ba na gusto mo i-analyze natin? I mean, company na gusto mo na i-analyze natin? Avoid AP, avoid this power. Okay, yan actually, avoid this power is okay, hindi siya nasa uptrending stock ko, but yeah, avoid this. Yan. Then, bago yan, tingnan natin yung investment guide ni video about avoid this. Nakikita mo to? Okay, so ito yung avoid this power corporation. Recommended niya is buy. Recommendation is buy. And the last price is 39.9. Pero I don't know, here 39.4 yung for today, last price. So ito yung before, the day before. Target price is 47. So basically, meron pa tayong 8 pesos or 7 point something pesos na difference compared sa target price. At meron tayong upside na 17.18%, meaning the possibility for us to earn is 17.8% profit. At meron siyang PE ratio na 13.6 for this year. PE, so ito yung price that you need to invest in order for you to earn 1 peso. So you need to invest 13.6 pesos. And like what I said last time, PE that are 20 below are good PE. So the lower the PE, the better it's the company. Kasi maliit lang yung price na babayaran mo for you to earn 1 peso. And this is the forward PE. So meaning to say, this is the projected PE, yung forecast. So mas maganda na mas mababa pa yung forecasted PE. It indicates na yung price bababa or the earnings is tataas compared sa price. So, mas maganda na mas maliit yung forecasted PE. This is the EPS, the earning per share within 3 years. So, the average. So, 6.4% earnings per share. Yung dividend yield, how effective they are in releasing dividends. And this is the return on equity. So, yun, yung how much the company is effective to return profit out of the equity that they are using from the investors. So 19.5%. So the bigger one, the better. So maganda yung ano. Basta above 15%, that's a very good or ROE. Previously. In the previous 3 years. Kasi makikita lang naman yung earnings based sa past, right? So, average ito. So, magandang ano rin ito. The higher the EPS, the better. Average, better. Or, paano? Research. Yeah. Maganda rin yung ano, yung video na mura. Kaya nga kinukombine ko yung info from video na mura and COL. So may dalawa akong platform because of this reason. Meron siyang fair value, meron buy below price. Wala siyang target price. It has fair value and buy below price. Target price is almost similar with the fair value, but in practical they are not necessarily the same. So yun, usually I rely on this target prices ni video kasi may mga fair value si COL na masyadong mataas compared sa target price ni video. So in that case, ito yung pina-follow ko, yung video ni Mora. Sa ano ko, sa stock updates. Diba nasabi ko na sa'yo na meron akong weekly stock update. Yung nagre-release ako palagi ng info every week kung ano yung magandang bilhin. Ito yun. Yung stock updates. So nandito yung mga subscribers ko. So kung this is just an advertisement kung interesado ka. So yun, ito nagbibigay ako ng mga stock picks. Kumbaga kung ano yung gusto kong kung ako yung bibili, ano yung bibilhin ko in that week. So, yan. So, at nirarank ko yan based So, halimbawa ito. Yesterday. Ito lahat yung mga company na magandang bilhin. Pero ito yung lahat puro upside. I mean, uptrending. Uptrending lahat yan. So, mamaya i-release ko yung few stocks na sideways siya pero kung saan saang price mo bibilhin. Then, meron ako, nagsasuggest ako dito, halimbawa, yung technique na gagamitin sa SM, gagamitin sa Ayala Land, and so on. Ano yung cut loss natin, something like that. So, kasi pag midterm, nag-ano talaga ako ng cut loss. Pero pag long term, may cut loss, pero malayo yung cut loss niya. Kasi pag long term, the lower the price is, the more we should buy stocks from that company. Then mga earning reports, mga ganyan. So, yan. Kung interested ka, sabihin mo lang. Magandang guide din yan. Kung halimbawa nag-analyze ka, na-plot mo na yung support and resistance at kung tama ba yung company na pinili mo compared sa pinili ko. So, yun, mako-compare mo. Mayroon kang guidance. Pero basically, binabase ko rin yan dito. Isa sa mga basis ko is to get companies which are having big upsides. Halimbawa ito, AGI, Cebu Pacific. Basta more than 15, pinapasok ko yan. Or mga 12, 13, basta mga blue chips. Halimbawa, Ayala Corporation. This is only 13.5%, pero since it's a blue chip company, ipinapasok ko yan sa recommended stock. Ayala Land, 15%. So, and so on. RLC is one of them actually. Kaya lang ngayon ng RLC is nagsa-sideways. Medyo kailangan mo talaga ng patience kay RLC. So, medyo hindi siya pang mid-term, pang long-term siya. Alright, so yun. Sinabi mo, alam natin na yung yung Aboitiz Power Corporation has upside 17.8 at yung target price is 47. Ang natin is 39. So target price is 47. So 17% profitability kung mag-i-invest tayo kay Aboitiz. Then next, okay, streaming chart. Nakapag-practice ka ba last time? Yung charting. Okay, good. Okay, kung yan, in-open ko ngayon yung chart. Ko sa sa candlestick. Then this is 1 day chart. Tinitingnan ko rin kung ano yung pattern niya kung 1 week. So as you can see, medyo maganda yung niya. Ito yung every candle is equivalent to 1 week, kaya mas malaking time frame yung niya nilalagay. Ito 1 day lang, kaya hanggang November last year lang to September. So magandang tingnan din yung higher perspective level para malaman mo ngayon kung ano ba yung status ng company. From this point of view, parang magandang kahit wala pang mga indicators na ginagamit. Kung titingnan mo to, okay, medyo nasa magandang status itong company na to. Considering also na yung profitability natin. Okay. Isang screen lang ba nakikita mo or ano? Okay, kasi nakakonect kasi yung yung isang, ito ngayon, isa na lang, di ba? Kasi medyo maliit na screen yung makikita mo. Nakakonect kasi ako sa isa pang monitor. Nasa ako docking station. So yun, kopyahin ko to. Okay. So kung makikita mo, ito yung trend. Okay, up, down, up, down. Pero kung makikita mo, nasa linya na to. Yan ang maganda kasi in that case, if it will go up also. So kung bibili tayo dito, nasa magandang tayo, position. Unlike kung bawa kang ganito. Okay, pag iba naman kung kung halimbawa tayo, SMC, halimbawa San Miguel Corporation. Check lang natin na para maano ko yung ibig kong sabihin. Yan. San Miguel Corporation. Si San Miguel Corporation is a downtrending stock. So basically na-avoid ko yung na to, company na to ngayon. Because it's downtrending. So yun, kaya natin dito. Tingnan mo. So up. Then parang nag-parabolic siya. Then ito. Then this is downtrending. So it can happen that this is really going in this way. Na sumusunod siya sa point na yan. Or the worst case is dito. So in that case, itong kung bibilhin mo siya dito, medyo risky siya. Kasi maaaring siya, free fall. So yan, so importante yan na malaman natin kung ano yung trend ng isang stock. Hindi lang sa magandang company siya fundamentally, then tinitingnan natin kung maganda bang bilhin yung isang company ngayon, diba? Kasi maraming magagandang company dyan, pero hindi naman lahat magandang bilhin at this time. So okay, so now we should find out support and resistance. So convert natin 1 week. So sa 1 week madaling magplot ng support resistance kasi may common points, this point and this point and also this point. So we can draw a line actually. So yan, horizontal ray. So ano ko siya, i-project ko siya at the end points ng line na yan. So I'm using green to indicate resistance, support. Diba? At this point is a common point here and also a common point here. That's really a support. So, and resistance. Okay, i-project ko dito naman. Yan, so and I will colorize it with red. So point here is a common point here. It has been tested many times. This point, that point. Okay, this one it went up more, pero yung ano lang, mostly weak lang. Hindi yung talagang body, walang breakout. So yan. So that is support and resistance. Of course, may makukuha pa tayong maliliit pang support inside, like resistance. Like this, it's also a resistance. Diba? Ipag-extend mo yan dito, parang okay na test siya dito, pero hindi test siya at the previously. Dito naman, it seems to be a resistance also. May maliit na resistance yan. And extend natin dito. Okay, walang ito maybe, pero hindi talaga eksaktong point. Pero okay lang, i-plot lang natin. Then yung ginagawa natin later on is to confirm using other technical indicators if this support is correct, this resistance are correct. So mamaya pag medyo using technical indicators, i-delete natin yan kung hindi talaga necessary as a resistance. So yan, for example, using moving average. So I'm using exponential moving average. Okay, at dalawang exponential moving average. The first is 5. Okay, and colorize with red, make it thick. Other one is an adjustable moving average. So I try with 15. Does it generate some false signal? So okay, sell. Okay, sideways. Okay, dito medyo okay na rin siya, no? Sell. Ato, nag-sell pa siya dito. Pero hindi naman siya nag-crossover. Okay, gawin na lang natin 20 para hindi siya, no? Okay, so medyo okay na to. Right? So dito yung buying point mo, dito yung selling point mo. Ito wala kang sell. So walang buy. So meaning at this point wala pa tayong buy signal kasi hindi pa naman nag-cross. So ano ba yung trend? Ngayon? Is it a downtrend, uptrend, or sideways? Okay, to determine the trend, we can also use this combination. Yung exponential moving average, then 10 for the short term, 50 for the midterm, and 100 for the long term. So ito yung tatlo. So okay, so as you can see, the price is below all the moving averages. Okay, I colorize this with red to indicate short term, this one green to indicate mid-term. So when you are charting, always be consistent of the colors. At purple for the long term. So price is below all the moving average line, so therefore this is a downtrend stock. Although dito medyo it's trying to cross the short term, but it's not yet confirmed. So parang nandito pa tayo, consolidation. So in that case, this support is correct, right? Kasi parang nag-stabilize dito yung price. So draw tayo ng level dito sa baba that can be considered as a support line, or these are the week to week support. We can actually consider drawing also a body to body support. Okay, green. This should be green. Kasi ito, kung titingnan mo ang last candlestick at dito, this is a common point to this. Or it can also be this one kasi body to body yung sabi ko. So, it's up to you kung you can actually make this as a kind of a range, a buying range, that if the price falls inside this range, you will buy the stock. So yan, you can consider this as a buying range. Gets? But of course, mas maganda kung nabili mo siya at lower. But there is a risk also. Kailangan mo talagang bantayan yan na hindi ka mapag-iwanan ng price. Kasi baka bumaba siya. Okay, bumaba siya pero nandito pa yung buying price mo, naka GTC pero hindi pa pala tinamaan. So gumanyan na yung price. So medyo yan ang kailangan bantayan mo na hindi siya ma-miss out. Pero using other technical indicators, meron naman nag-indicate na if it is possible to go down more to that level or not. So yan, maano natin yan mamaya. Okay lang. So yun, good. As you can see, this stock is uptrending from this point, right? And then dito nag-reverse. Makikita mo naman na yung red dito is nag-cross to the green, to the midterm. That's an indication na there might be a reversal that is going to happen. And the reversal was much more confirmed when it crossed to the long-term moving average here. So basically, this is already a full-blown reversal, naging downtrend. Ang babantayan na lang natin kay AP na hindi siya magtuloy-tuloy ng ganyan. But of course, this is a possibility to bounce back. Now, ano ba yung strategy natin kung ganyan ang situation na may possibility na bumaba pero may possibility na bounce back? If I am the one who will trade with this, I will use a stop loss. I will buy somewhere here at this range. But my stop loss is ilalagay ko sa ilalim ng candlestick na hindi talaga tinamaan na. Like this one, di ba? Mayroon pa ditong isa pa na parang lumampas. Ito, hindi na. Ito, common points na yan, di ba? So, I can consider this as a stop loss. 37.89. Pero kailangan hindi siya correct, tatama sa sa may wick na yan dito. Kasi baka kainin lang yan ng So, ito, okay, hindi makita. Okay. Okay, so this one, this week, okay. So yan. Pag stop pwede ka nag-set ng alarm na if the price umabot sa end point na yan, pwede mong tingnan yung chart or ka talaga ng order sa platform na stop loss order. Pero yung sinasabi ko kanina is wala, so manual tayo na na pagbababa yung yung price. So ganyan so halimbawa ito yung week, yung katapusan ng ng candlestick na yan. Yung stop loss mo hindi dito na exactly dyan talaga, medyo bababa ka pa ng konti kasi pag ilagay mo yan dyan, yung pwedeng mangyari is parang kakainin lang siya, correct, exactly at that point babounce back. So ayaw natin ng ganyan ng stop loss mo dyan, then masisell na yung so medyo baba ka ng konti na konti lang, ilang points lang, para hindi siya mag-generate ng fake na parang breakout but fake na pag go down. Kasi di ba ito usually sa common point yan, yung point na yan, that's a common point, so meaning that maybe later on the price will go down but it will bounce back at the same point. So kaya nga ilagay natin sa baba yung stop loss, gaya rin dito. Ito, this is common point to this, so kaya nga, pero mayroon pa tayo nakita dito isa, so ibaba mo itong i-colorize ko ng ng ibang color yung stop loss natin. So wag natin ilagay dyan, instead ilagay natin medyo mababa pa. In that case, maiwasan natin yung if the price or the stock will move in this way, at least before pa nagtuloy-tuloy bumaba, na-sell na natin. At yung mo, buying price, kung if your buying price somewhere, so na-minimize lang natin yung loss, di ba? But it's also a kind of rewarding point na pwede siyang bumaba dyan, but later nag-bounce back. Nakasakay tayo sa sa trade. Okay, klaro na. So yun. Then okay, sorry. Yung tinitingnan natin ngayon is weekly chart. What about the daily chart? Okay, so nalaman na natin na downtrend siya, so i-turn off ko na yung mga indicator kanina, yung moving average. Alam ko naman yung trend, diba? Downtrend, that's downtrend. Pero dito nag-consolidate, so it can happen na magbabalik pataas yung yung price. So now tingnan natin yung 1 day chart. Yung natin. So nandito yung buying range natin, indicate na lang natin as a parallel chart. Ito yung buying range natin. So if the price will go inside this parallel channel, we will buy. Then we follow this stop loss sa baba. And yun, ito yung kasagutan sa mo katanong dati na paano ba yung cut loss isiset. So if you are using a midterm strategy for a stock, it can hold this can be applied. But if you are kind of long term, so sometimes we are deciding which company is good for long term, which one is good for mid term, di ba? So you can do it in this way. Instead of setting your stop loss here, you can also consider setting your stop loss way below. So ito na yung tinitingnan mo. Okay lang sa'yo na yung price bumaba basta hanggang dyan lang siya. So kasi pag medyo sorry, bakit natin ginagawa to? Para maiwasan pa yung na yung price bumaba pa ng ganyan na medyo parang malayo na, di ba? So of course it's really depend on your goal or strategy. Kung talagang hold ka for long 10 years, then wag ka lang mabahala sa mga stop loss na to. Pwede mo pa rin ilagay pababa. Then if the price is going much more down, what you will do is to buy more shares. Kasi alam mo or you feel that the price will move up later. So of course may mga consideration tayo dyan, like the company will stay in the market for 10, 20, 30 years. At depende rin kung which industry the company belongs. And the risk of your risk appetite, na okay lang sa'yo na bumaba yung price, hindi mo na pa naman gagamitin yung pera for a long period of time. So yeah, so ito yung strategy ng mga long-term investors, na bumaba yung price, add more shares, more shares, para ngayon later on yung price na hatakin pataas is a big amount of money, right? So yan. Pero pag mid-term ka, so yan ang gamitin mo. Ang stop loss medyo siya, nasa realistic level. Minimize the loss as much as possible. Kasi pag minimize yung loss mo, it means that you will just lose the transaction fee around like something like it. So kung nagbayad ka ng 20 to buy and 30 to sell, so 50 pesos lang yung mo loss, diba? Instead of 300, 500. Talaga, depende sa amount of stocks na binibili at binibenta. Basta mga, let's say Aboitiz, ito yung niya, diba, yung board lot niya, edge. Actually mayroong akong app na shares calculator, pero Aboitiz power, stock data, dito mo ma-check kung ilan yung board lot. So 100, bilhin mo siya ng by 100. So 100 times 39, that is 3,940. At babayaran mong fee is around 23 pesos to buy 100 share. To sell is around 30 plus pesos per share. The transaction fee is 30 plus pesos. Of course, if you are buying more, like 300, 500, you pay more tax. Pay more transaction fee. Pero hindi naman nadodoble yung fee. Parang lang siya. Mayroong in a certain percentage yung nadadagdag. Kaya nga mas magandang bumili ng mas marami pang shares compared sa buying lesser share and buying higher fee. So yan ang dapat nating i-weigh in every time bibili tayo ng stock, na is the transaction fee worth for us to buy Kasi kung bibilhin lang natin, pa konti-konti lang, medyo nadadali tayo sa transaction fee. So, sulitin ang fee. So, yan ang support and resistance. Okay. So, yan ako lang. Klaro. Then, ngayon, so, gamitin natin. Okay. So, yung moving average, diba? Ito yan. So, nakita na natin na using 520 combination, it's already a good combination. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is if the red will intersect with the blue line, you buy the stock. So, we are now assuming na ito yung magiging trend ulit later on. That as long as the of course now we cannot draw this trend line yet. We are just drawing it kind of imagination. Pero later on, you can use the trend line to estimate when you will sell the stock like this. If we will forget the Okay, kalimutan muna natin yung yung future na So if we are in this case like okay, dito yung lowest low, i-connect natin sa higher low and extend natin yung trend line, colorize with blue. Then in this case, we are assuming here that if the price is lying above this trend line and won't cross, we don't sell the stock. Okay? But in here, as you can see, nag-cross siya, bumaba, di ba? Bumaba. So, dito ka bumili. This is the buy signal. Ito, wala pang sell signal. So, dito pa yung sell signal. So, this crossing of the trend line is an indication na later on, sell signal will come. And once the sell signal will come, we sell the stock. Okay? Kasi, bababa na siya. Naintindihan mo? So, very simple strategy. Kahit iyan lang ang matutunan. That's already enough for you to earn in stock market. Kasi, see, ito, draw ulit tayo ng trend line dito. Extend. Saan siya nag-cross? Dito. At yung crossing is also the same point where the sell signal is. Okay, nag-sell. Okay, pag nag-sell tayo dito, bumaba na yung price. Okay, bumaba siya ng very deep here, pero yung sell signal here. Okay, bumalik ulit. Pero as you can see, bumaba ng tuloy-tuloy. Then later on, bili ka na lang ulit kung mayroon ng buy signal dito. Bili ka ulit. Then, cross sa intersection, sa trend line, generate the sell signal. So, sell here. Alright? Or, kung gusto mo pang mas conservative ka, dyan pa lang, mag-cross na siya dyan. Pero ito, delikado kasi ito yung sitwasyon. Bakit na-delay? Magandang i-delay yung or sundin yung sell signal generated by the moving average. Kasi, pag nagbase ka lang dito sa trend line na to, nag-cross ngayon ang price to the trend line. Ito, nabahala ka na kasi, nag-cross na. Ibebenta mo ngayon dito. Kasi, you might assume that na magtuloy-tuloy yung price. So, don't assume that way. Kailangan sundin mo yung confirmation ng moving average. Kung tingnan mo, wala pang sell signal dyan di ba? Malayo yung distance between blue and red moving average. So, no sell signal. So, wait mo lang yan. At napapansin mo naman na nakabawi ka naman dito. Then, dito na yung sell signal mo. So, yan. You can use that technique. Alright. So that is moving average and trend lines. And then ngayon, gamitan naman natin ng ng MACD. Okay, MACD. MACD, as I said, this is actually using exponential moving average also. Pero yung MACD line is the difference between the MACD exponential moving average na 26 and 12. Then the MACD line can be plotted. The signal line is actually just the exponential moving average na 9. So inagamit natin yan like buy and sell signal, the crossover. So this is our buy signal, this is our sell signal, buy signal. Pero dito tingnan mo, this is false. Buy, then isi-sell mo lang dito, which is very very low. So basically the MACD, when it is generated, the signal is generated below the zero line, medyo nagiging inaccurate siya yung yung kanyang signal generation. So magandang mag-sell if the MACD line is above the zero line, like this. So buy here. So naturally or normally below the zero line. But to sell, and the sell signal is generated below this zero line, then it might be a false signal. So make sure that this is above. Okay, so but this one is already okay. You can already follow that. Okay, so going back, it's here, right? So na-generate siya at July 3, 2017. So July 3, where is that in our candlestick? July 3, here. So yan. So kaya nga, this support line and this line are confirmed support line. Kasi dito ka bibili, di ba? You buy at support. So using MACD, you can actually confirm your support and resistance. Support, so here, buy here. So yan, so at this range, so buy ka dyan. So basically hindi pa nagmimit ang moving average natin dito, but our MACD is already generating the buy signal. So it can be a good opportunity for you to buy. So of course you can use that method now. As long as the price is inside this buying range, you will buy. Okay? Pero kita mo naman na the latest price is not yet inside the buying range. So maybe this is the current price. It's still above the buying range. So yung gawin mo, mag GTC ka. You can use this as a level for buying. So ini-ano mo siya, ini-align mo siya din sa bottom. Para ngayon later on, basta naka GTC siya, it can parang papalo yung price yan at balik. So yan ang talagang sniper sniper may way to buy. So yan. Of course, pag medyo nag-aalangan siya, medyo itaas mo lang ng konti kung nag-aalangan yung para at least makasakay ka before siya lumipad. Okay, then of course, don't forget your stop loss. Kasi baka nagkamali tayo dyan, di naman tayo perfecto, di ba? Baka papapunta pa yan. So at least ma-sell natin at the stop loss point. Minimize yung loss. Alright, so yan. We know already when to buy. And of course, when to sell, you will use these resistances. But these are resistances. You will also refer to the target price. This is a very much accurate target price, 47. So if this is resistance 44, so that is not our target price. It can be considered, but the most considered is this. Diba, malapit sa 47. So once the stock reaches this 44, you will ask yourself, should I sell? No, because it's not our target price. Tumaas siya hanggang 46.46. Should I sell? Yung sagot, is there a sell signal in the chart? If no, then wait until the 47. Okay, ito pa yung technique ko. Okay, so balik tayo. Okay, tumaas siya hanggang dyan, you won't sell kasi hindi pa target price. Dito 46.6, 46.46, malapit na sa 47. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, is it generating a sell signal? Kung wala pa, hayaan mo lang na tumaas pa yung price. Dito, target price na siya, naabot na. Should I sell? You can sell, but maybe there is no sell signal yet, which is allowing the price to go up more. So if there is a sell signal now at around 49, let's say, then you will sell. Para hindi ka lang nag-rely dito na maximize mo pa yung gains mo. While the trend is not generating, the stock is not generating any sell signal, don't sell. So you can maximize your profit. Okay? So yan ang ginawa ko kay dati, Mega World. The target price was 4.1, pero there is no sell signal yet. Na sell ko na at 4.66. 4.1 yung target price base sa video Nomura. Pero na sell ko at 4.66 when there is a sell signal. Gets? Very good. So that is MACD. Okay, alam mo na yung MACD. Na-review na natin lahat. Then what's next? RSI, stochastic, and CCI. So madali na lang to. You know that this stock is downtrending. So there is a level, a so-called oversold level. Oversold level, yung price ng stock. Usually pag oversold, the buyers are attracted to it. Diyan pumapasok yung buyers kasi mura na yung stock price. How to find if it is oversold or overbought? Kung overbought naman, masyado nang mahal yung relatively expensive yung stock. In that case, sellers are coming in, which leads the sell-off of a stock. So bababa yung price kasi maraming magsisell. So how to find that? So using RSI. So yan. Okay, ngayon i-remove muna natin yung MACD para focus tayo sa RSI. So RSI. So mayroon siyang two important lines. Yung oversold level at yung overbought level. HR 70 for oversold and 30 for overbought. Overbought sa 80. Okay, overbought, oversold. Okay? So yan. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin nito? Paano natin gamitin RSI? So RSI, once the RSI signal line or oscillator reaches the 30, you can consider it as already a buying opportunity. Kasi napakamura na yung masyado nang mababa yung price. And if it is reaching 70 or above, masyado nang mahal. So there is a tendency to to sell. Sellers are coming in. So, pwede ka na mag-sell at the point. But, we cannot just trade using only this indicator. We need some confirmation also. So, balik tayo dito sa chart. Tingnan mo. At this level, diba dito na? Dito yun. So, dyan nag-umpisa naman yung selling. Kaya yun, RSI bumaba. Nag-downtrend na. So, uptrend, you can consider it in this way. RSI level going up and running out of gas at this point. In that case, it's running out of gas, it will fall. Okay, so you sell at that point. So, ano yung point? Ayan, selling this. So, you can use this RSI together with other technical indicators. Pero dito, wala pang sell signal, di ba? Nandito yung sell signal niya. Kasi, you should also know that sometimes RSI is not just staying on that level. Sometimes it's still going higher. Like this. Okay, this one is not really very expressive, but there are some companies na yung RSI level is talagang maabot pa ng 100. So, yung ibig kong sabihin dito, it can happen na maano siya, ganyan siya, taas pa at tumataas pa at medyo mabagal muna bago pa bumaba. Same also with the lower point. Okay? So, paano, isa pang interpretation ng RSI. Ito yung tinatawag na, pwede mong trend line gamitan. This is the highest point. I-project mo yung, bakit hindi siya, okay. This is the highest point. I-project mo siya dito sa edge niya na maka-form ka ng line. Okay, kung mapansin mo, mayroon siyang breakthrough dyan. Breakthrough, pero bumabalik. Pero dito, talagang tumuloy na. Yeah. So, ito yung indication na nagiging mababa na yung price. Medyo may tendency na siya na tumaas. Pero bumabalik pa rin. Bumaba ng masyado. Then tumaas at this point. So, yan ang tinatawag na medyo nagbusan na siya ng gas. Pababa. Then mag-uumpisa na ngayon yung up. Diba? Umpisa naman yun yung up. So at this level, you can consider that as a buying opportunity. Okay, so project ko, saan ba yun? Okay. Okay, so yan, trend line. Then the break, na-break na siya here. Diba, ito yung buying point mo, I mean, buying opportunity. Pero hindi pa natin mako-confirm yan. I mean, kung magre-rely lang tayo dito as buy, we are not sure kasi baka bumaba pa siya masyado. Leading the price to decrease further. So, ito naman, naglagay tayo ng trend line para ma-make sure natin na pag ma-break siya, it can indicate na nagre-reverse na yung RSI natin. And this is true at this point. So, ano yung date na yan? Kailan nangyari? That is June 12. June 12, saan yan sa ating Yan, ito. So, itong green candlestick is a good opportunity to buy. But as you can see, nag-consolidate pa naman, so hindi pa tayo naiiwanan ng So, still, rely on this buying range. Alright? Same also dito. Ito naman, yung kung natin yung reverse naman. I-draw ka naman ng pataas naman. kailan mo malalaman na nag-run out ng gas? So, di ba, ito naman yung point. Yan. Kung saan nag-break siya. So, nag-run out na siya ng gas pataas. Therefore, babalik na siya pababa. So, this point can be a point of selling, which is true at this. Na may malaking candlestick. So, selling point. Alright, so yan. Okay, so now let's look at the latest price. Di ba downtrending yan? Now using RSI, paano natin malalaman na mayroon ng magkakaroon na ng reversal? This is downtrend and our RSI is also downtrend. Right? But here lumagpas na yung breakout na, di ba? So, draw ka na yung ngayon ng line. As long as the RSI is staying on the trend line, we can say that it's already going up. So, it's also this one, see, it's very interesting. Ito yung strategy for the RSI. Kung makita mo naman, hindi pa naman nag-break, nag-reverse yung actual na price, di ba? Parang nandyan pa lang siya sa channel lang siya. We can draw a channel here. Nandyan lang siya sa loob na yan. Pero hindi pa nag-breakout. But the RSI is already telling us that the trend going down has already run out of gas. Therefore, it can be the start of the reversal. So, it's good to buy now any point at this, but to determine the best buying point is to use this buying range. Okay? So, yun ang RSI. Next is stochastic. Stochastic is almost the same with RSI, but it's a more accurate indicator than the RSI. So, okay, delete ko naman yung RSI. Yan. So, kung kanina mayroon tayong 70 and 30 na level of overbought and oversold, sa naman, stochastic 80 and 20 yung 80 and 20. 80 for the overbought, 20 for the oversold. So, maaari mo ring gamitin yung trend lines for stochastic. So, ito yung highest point. At ito yung lowest point. So, here, still same. Diba? Nag-breakout dito. At, so, ang basic concept ng stochastic is 60% of a time, yung price ng isang stock nasa loob lang ng area na yan. So, there is a 20% of the time na nasa taas siya, overbought, at 20% nasa baba. So, therefore, kung nasa baba siya, 20%, so, at this region, kung nasa region siya ng this, dito siya, it's a good buying opportunity. Okay? Kung dito naman siya, it's a good selling opportunity. Kung yung price papalo dyan at this level. But you can use the concept of MACD na pag may crossover, you will sell. So, somewhere here. Pa nag-cross yung blue at red. This one is, ito, klaro. Ito yung klaro. Baba. Buy. Yan, buy. This is a buy, buying points. So, okay, balik naman tayo sa chart. So, if that is our buying points, so therefore, confirm na naman ulit yung support natin. These are buying points. Diba? Ito, buying points. Kaya nga, yung range na yan is so valid. Itong buying range. Here. So, if the price goes to that buying range, buy the stock. Ngayon, at this current price 39, you can buy, but this is not the optimized price to buy. The optimized price is here in the buying range. Optimize the price, you are maximizing your profit. Alright, so yan ang ano. Ito naman yung selling range. Selling points sa bataas. So, which is matching our resistance. Here is the selling signal, which is matching to this line. Diba? So, ngayon tutugma-tugma yung analysis natin with the indicators. Yung support and resistance with the indicators. So, very important yan na nagmamatch silang lahat para logical yung interpretation natin. Pag hindi mo pa siya na-connect yung relation, medyo it means that you need to reanalyze it. Kasi kailangan ka talaga maka-arrive ng isang logical na reasoning dito. Actually, both of them, I use both of them. So for buying signal, it's good to rely on buying and selling signal. It's good to rely on stochastic. But for running out of gas, yung halimbawa nagda-downtrend, yung sinabi ko kanina, when is it going to reverse? So RSI is a good indicator for that kasi yan. Isang line lang kasi yung ginagamit niya. So ito, this point. It's a point of reversal. So, yan. Dito nga yan. So, I will buy here. I can also use the, stochastic. Pero medyo dalawang line. Malilito ka ngayon. Saan ba ito? Ganyan ka ba or gaganyan? So, medyo malilito tayo. So, gamitin na lang natin ito for buy and sell indications or overbought, oversold. Use the RSI for the, trend reversal. This is the so-called RSI divergence strategy. So this is downtrend. This is downtrend, but the RSI here is not downtrend. It's uptrend now. This is a early indication of reversal. Dito hindi pa nag-reverse yung price, nag-flatten lang. But the RSI is indicating reversal. So it's giving us a clue that soon this will reverse. Alright, so yan, that is stochastic. And CCI, one of my favorite indicators. Nilagay CCI. Alright, so ito yun, CCI. Yan. So, important points ng CCI. So, yung mga important points ng indicator, kailangan kabisado mo yan. Important points are this. This is the zero level. Okay, indicate ko as green line. Zero level, sorry. This is not the zero level, but this is zero level. Nasa center. Then, there is a level above, which is the 100. So, you can see here, it's 100. At yung negative 100. Alright, so paano ba interpret si CCI? So as you can see, the price is going down, up to the 100, back to 100, back to 0, and back to negative 100, and back again. So these are very important so CCI is very good for detecting reversal also. So as you can notice na maraming beses ko na sinabi yung reversal kasi importante yan na ma-detect natin when the stock is going to reverse, kasi at that point of reversal magandang bumili. So even this with a trend line, you can project that down. You will see that this is now going down, but now it's starting to reverse, right? So just like the RSI, but the CCI is not used for that purpose. I mean, the main strategy na gagamitin natin dito is this. Okay, nag-down to negative 100 and below, and up. Then pupunta siya sa 0. At this level, when it reaches the 0, is your buying opportunity, your buying signal. This is so buying signal, then up. When to sell? So allow the price to go up, I mean the CCI to go up to 100 and back to 100 at this point. This is your sell signal. Buy signal here at 0, and hindi ka mag-sell dito hindi pa, kasi you sell when it goes above, then goes back to 100. This is now your sell signal. Kasi this is indication of trend reversal. So nag-uptrend siya at this point, but this point is now reversal. So that's why if the price goes to 100, back to 100, you sell. Let's check kung talagang totoo ba. So you buy here, yan, di ba? Kasi pumunta ng 0. So you buy here. This is your, which is equal to your exponential moving average cross with the 5 and 20 crossover. Equivalent yung buy at yung buy signal ng moving average. Agree? Okay, so that's your buy signal. Buy here and buy and sell here when it goes back to 100. So yeah, sell here. Sell here. Okay, the problem is that hindi siya nagpatuloy mag-down. Hindi siya, karoon siya ng sell signal, pero hindi siya nagpatuloy baba. Instead, bumalik ulit. That's why the price went up higher. So kailangan mong bantayan yan, na kailangan talaga confirm. I mean, okay, here na confirm siya dyan na, I mean, dumating yung sell signal dyan. The next question is, should you really sell? So you can confirm that with a moving average. So you have a sell signal here, but your moving average line is not showing a sell signal. So why sell, di ba? So it's not yet confirmed. So baka yun nga, tumaas pa yung price. Yan. Until such time na dito na yung sell signal mo. At yun, nagtuloy-tuloy pa siya. So yan. If nakapag-sell ka at this point, na-avoid mo ngayon itong malaking decrease of the price. You can sell here. But when is it the time that the moving average nagkaroon lang ng sell signal at this point, which is already way down para sa CCI? That is normal kasi yung moving average is a lagging indicator. It's a delayed indicator. So yeah, so that's why late. Although you can sell here, but you can follow this. Yung magandang strategy for CCI is that allow to move to here, to 100, but don't sell. because maybe it will bounce back. But if it will bounce back and back again the second time can be the most reliable, di ba? Kasi dito nag-sell ka, tumaas pa siya. Okay, dito. Okay, so second time medyo makakapag-sell ka lang dito. But again, the moving average line is not yet indicating the sell signal. So just allow it to fluctuate here. So here, okay, so here, nandito na yung talagang sell signal na mayroon ng sense. Kasi ito, nag-cross na siya at our trend line, di ba? Yung price is crossing to the trend line. So, you can make it as your basis of selling. Yeah? Ano yung tanong mo? Mag-buy. Okay, so tingnan mo ito. Klaro naman dito na bababa ulit siya. Yung buy mo is pag bumalik siya sa 0. Ito hindi pa bumalik. Yan. Buy ka ulit at this point. Kailangan yung yung CCI bumaba ulit sa negative 100 or more, then bumalik. Kasi it's an indication of reversal ng downtrend. Downtrend kasi ito eh. Then pag ma-reach niya yung 100, this is a confirmation of reversal. I mean yung CCI bumalik sa 0 is a confirmation of reversal. Alright, so yan ang buy mo. But as you can see, bumalik. So that's very tricky. Bumalik siya. So kailangan lumampas. At using also moving average. Tingnan mo. And asan? Ito yung buy mo. Ngayon, kung bumili ka dyan at hindi mo chinek yung moving average, malamang malulugi ka kasi pag nabili mo siya dito, downtrend pa pala yung stock. Walang buy signal dito eh. Di ba? Hindi pa naman nag-cross yung red. So, bumaba pa. So, that's why it's always good to confirm your buy and sell signal with other indicators kasi wala namang perfect na indicator. At by the way, ito this is kung nag-buy ka dito at sell dito, that's a reversal strategy. Mayroon naman iba na yung ginagamit nila is momentum strategy. They will buy not in the 0 but here in the 100. Then they sell when it go back to 100 or here. That's a momentum strategy. But this is for short-term traders. So yung maganda talaga gamitin is yung reversal strategy. So stick ka na lang dito sa strategy na yun. Buy at 0, sell at 100. Alright? So yan, na-discuss na natin yung yung lahat-lahat. Then ngayon, kuha tayo ng iba pang So ngayon, ano ba yung natin dito? Decision. So confirm that we will buy only if the price goes to this buying range. Okay? And sell when there is a sell indication or sell signal or target price. Yeah? Yes. Yeah. If order ka ng GTC. So, halimbawa, GTC mo at 38.64 or 38.69. Kinabukasan yan, baka yung price is pumalo inside that range. So, ngayon, makakasakay ka na like that. Or even more. or pumalo siya at your buying price, then bumalik pataas. That would be the best. That would be nice. So gets, huh? Alright, so yun. Okay, so before that I will ano ko na lang to, send ko sa'yo para at least mayroon kang parang guide. So this is the way na inano ko is screenshot, copy the link, then pwede kong i-send sa'yo. So ano mo na lang yun, save. Ayan. So ngayon, mag-ano na lang tayo ng isang another company and use all those indicators na ginamit natin. Then, we are already good for today. So, anong company yung gusto mo na mayroon ka bang request? Yeah, Meralco. Meralco has just announced their dividend payment at September. So may ex date na sa dividend at August 24, and after August 24 biglang nag-down yung Meralco stock kasi after the ex dividend date pwede nang mag-sell yung investors ng kanilang shares, but then still receiving the dividend payment during the payment date. So yan ang nangyari kay Meralco. So yan.
Please take care of Lisa.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Okay, so yun. Okay, so dyan ka pa? Okay, so tingnan natin itong 1 week na chart. Yan, so 1 week na chart madaling mag-picture out ng support and resistance. Kasi ito common points niya. This is green. And ito yung isa pang buying range. So parang na tayo, mayroon tayong buying range dito. There and there, that's our buying range. So knowing that buying range, the current price is still away far from the buying range. So pwede nating antayin yan na bumaba, or look at 1 day. Yan, so yun, pareho nga. But okay, it can also happen that this part, because this is a support before, and tinitingnan ko ito, support dati kaya siyan eh. So ngayon nagbintahan kasi ng ng stocks dahil sa dividend payment. So medyo siya dito. Kung titingnan mo yung candlestick bumaba pero bumawi. So it can also indicate na this is a support. So if you are thinking of buying the stock in this week, pwede mong i-buy order itong bottom, itong 268. Kasi pag i-follow mo yung nasa 1 week na support, malayo pa siya. So yung possibility to buy this stock in this week is not really possible. Maybe next week, 2 weeks from now, or maybe not. So this is the most possible. But itong ginagawa natin is just a theory. Pero ano ba yung confirmation using, we can confirm that using other indicator like EMA. Okay, so this is actually a sell signal here. So buy, okay, check muna natin kung mayroon bang mga false signal. So far okay naman, di ba? But for the purpose of correcting some inaccuracies, so 20 ko na lang. So ito sell. So yan nga sell. Dito buy. So this is a buy signal. So yun nga, this is matching to my analysis earlier na this can be a buying range. So maglagay tayo ng buying range. This is our buying range if you are buying this week. So ano ba yung trend? Is it a downtrend, uptrend? So this is downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, and maybe it will go uptrend. So we don't know. So we are not yet sure kung tutuloy ba yung trend from here. Of course, we will be able to know that using CCI. Diba? Kasi CCI is a good technical indicator for reversal. Or RSI. So, or, okay, MACD, try to use MACD. Meron bang buy signal? Buy signal here, sell here, buy here. So yeah, here there's a buy signal here. At kung mapapansin mo, yung histogram is positive. At isa pa ito magandang strategy din sa MACD na pwede kang gumamit nito. I-connect mo yung point na yan dito at saka dito sa other end of the chart. So this is pointing up, which means that momentum is going up. So, possibility from this point to this point, and this point, flat lang siya, diba? Pero MACD is indicating upward momentum. So, it can happen that we are actually going up later. Kasi MACD is indicating the movement of the price. So, this is downtrend here to here. But you can see that MACD here is down. Going down, di ba? Momentum is going down, which is right. Price going down. What about here? This to here, nag-ano lang siya, parabolic, but actually the momentum is going up. So it's an indication that later on it will go up. Okay, so there is a possibility for this now. So what about RSI? Is it running out of gas? Going down? So try to check from this point. Okay, so pwede rin natin gamitin yan. Connect. So diba channel yan? Okay, so although mayroon siyang breakout dito, pero we are not sure kasi medyo bumabalik yung So in this case, we are not sure with this. It's not giving us an accurate indication. So let's use stochastic. Okay, so as you can see, it's not in the overbought level. So ibig sabihin na magantay tayo na bumaba itong stochastic bago tayo bumili. So which is right because the current price. So yeah, so in that case antay pa tayo kasi hindi pa nasa oversold sold level yung stochastic. And kung mapapansin mo, if i-connect mo ito and this one, this is going down. So it's a possibility that it will still go down. So if I am the investor, I will still hold. Let's give time for this. Kasi baka yung mangyari nito ay papapunta dito. So this should be our buying range now. This is the one which is confirmed to be buying area. So I will wait. Okay? I will not buy this week. I will make it put Meralco in a watch list. Okay, so what about other indicators? CCI. CCI, okay. Umabot siya ng 0 dito. Pero bumalik. But it's already giving us a kind of warning. Pero yung 0, it's here. It's not in the current price. So it's here. Buying. So bumalik siya. So at mag-drawing tayo ulit ng trend line. Pababa yung trend line. It's indicating that it is going down. Or channel, same. Going down. It's going down. So I will wait till I can see some reasonable sell signal to buy. Ano pa? So that's it, di ba? Ano natin? May tanong ka ba? Ito. Parallel channel. Yan. Yan. Ito. Pag i-double click ko lang. Pag i-double click mo itong indicator, lumalaki yan. Pinalalaki ko lang kasi para makita mo. Yung area na to. Kahit saan dyan, double click mo lang, parang i-zoom out na siya. Ganun din, babalik siya. Ganun din para sa price. Lalaki yan kung gusto mong palakihin. Chart? Pwede, pero hindi ko ginagamit yung SQL kasi lagi ako maglalagin. Parang hassle ba? Login, log out, login, log out. So, at dito nasisave ko yung chart. So, ngayon, isave ko. This is MER. At pwede kong lagyan ng date na August 30. So, yun. That's MER, August 30. Ngayon, pwede kong ma-recall. I-close ko. Halimbawa, napunta ko sa ibang page. Then, okay, MER. Okay. Then, double click ko ito. Hanggang sa makita mo yung enlarge button. Then ito. Nandyan na yung MER. Or kung hindi mo makita, ilagay mo APC or MEG. MER. Yan, MER. August 30. So, yan. Then, kung gusto mong i-screenshot. Then, send the link or download. Download or copy. So, yeah. Sa palagay mo ba, helpful yung natin ngayon, session? Very good. So, yung task mo is for this week is just to practice. Try to find a good company and try to analyze using those indicators. Kasi, iba kasi pag tinitingnan mo lang siya ngayon at napapakinggan. Iba kasi talaga yung pinapractice mo. Kasi, that is the point when pumapasok talaga sa brain mo for a long term. Yung naituro ko. Alright? So, any questions? Okay, so kung mayroon ka mang tanong, just send a message to me. Then I will just answer you via chat. Okay, so that's it for now. We will just schedule the session 3 the next week. Okay, so for you to have time to practice. Okay. Okay, bye Sage and Rusty, and enjoy the rest of the week. Okay, bye bye. Thanks.